Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, we'll learn about a collection that you will most frequently encounter in your working with Python, and that is a dictionary. So first, let us define what a dictionary is in Python. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs which is unordered, mutable so that you can change them, and indexed so duplicate keys are not allowed in a dictionary. So back in my editor, let us learn about dictionary. So to create a dictionary, I will use the curly braces and I will name the dictionary as person, set that to this curly braces, and within the curly braces I will define the key value pairs. So I'll set up a key of name and set that to Alex, then age, set that to 21, hobbies, set that to gardening and coding, and then if gamer, which is a boolean, set that to true. And now here I can nest a dictionary within our person dictionary. So if a dictionary contains many dictionaries, then these dictionaries that you nest within the outer dictionary are called the nested dictionaries. So I will define a nested dictionary which is defined using the key address, set that to curly braces, and then I will set a street key, set that to XYZ street, and location, set that to XYZ. So this is how our dictionary looks like. So now let us see how we can access an item of a dictionary. So we can access an item of a dictionary by referencing to its key name. So I can use the square brace notation and pass on some key name, say name, and on the dictionary name I can reference that particular key, which is name in this case. And now let us print the name of the person by wrapping this around the print function. It's an example of accessing an item of the dictionary. To access the age, I can say person age, and to print the list of hobbies I can say person and refer the key hobbies which is set to this list. So let us run the file. So now you can see we are getting Alex, 21, gardening, coding as the output for these three print statements. Now to access a key within a nested dictionary, say like street, I want to access street key which is within a nested dictionary that is present within the person dictionary. So first I want to get a reference to a nested dictionary, so I can say person address. So this gives us the nested dictionary, and within the nested dictionary we have a street key, so refer that and run the file. This gives us XYZ street as the output. So now let us focus on the mutation property of a dictionary. So what if I want to change the value of a specific item? We can do so by referring to its key name and set the item to a new value. So to change the age of the person, I can say person and refer the key age and set that to 22. So if I print the dictionary and run the file, you can see that the new age is getting reflected in our dictionary. Now we can also loop over dictionary as well, but we will see that in the video on loops, so no worries, we will go over them in detail. Next, if I want to check if a specific key exists within the dictionary or not, I can make use of the membership operator, which is the in operator that we have already seen in previous videos. So if I want to check whether the age key is present in the dictionary or not, I can say checking for membership print. I want to check whether the age key exists in the person dictionary. Run the file, and you can see we are getting true logged to our terminal. So now in order to know the number of key value pairs that a dictionary has, we can use the same len method that we used in lists and tuples. So I can say print the length of our dictionary, so len, and pass on the person dictionary as the argument. Run the file. So you can see we are getting 5 because we are having 5 key value pairs in our dictionary. Now to add a new item to the dictionary, we can refer to the key. Like here we are setting up a new key value pair, so I'm using a new key which is key 4 and setting that to a value of value 4. So we'll have a new key as a part of our dictionary. So we can refer to the new key and set up a value for that. So what if I want to set up a city for our person dictionary? So let us go back to the editor, and I will leave a comment here adding a key value pair to our dictionary. So I can say person and reference the nested dictionary, which is this one. So I can say person address, which will give us this dictionary that is nested within our outer dictionary person, and on this nested dictionary I can reference a property city, which doesn't exist as of now, but we are going to define it. So I can set up a value for that, city of XYZ. So now if I print our person dictionary and run the file, you can see a new key value pair got added to our nested dictionary with a key of city and a value of city of XYZ. Now to remove an item from a dictionary, we have a couple of methods that we can use to achieve this. So we can remove an item pertaining to a specific key, and we can remove the last inserted item of a dictionary. So let us see how we can do this. So I'll leave a comment here, removing items from our dictionary. So now to remove an item pertaining to a specific key, so suppose I want to remove the item pertaining to age, that is the key value pair corresponding to age. So I can say person.pop and pass on the key age and print the person dictionary to the terminal, run the file, and you can see the age property is no longer present on our dictionary now, so it's gone. So now what if you want to remove the last inserted item? So for that I can say person.pop item and just invoke the method on the person dictionary, and this will remove the last inserted item or key value pair of the dictionary. And let us print the person dictionary and run the file. So now you can see our nested dictionary corresponding to the address key is now removed because it was the last inserted item of our dictionary. Okay, so it's no longer there in our dictionary, and now we have a dictionary that corresponds to key value pairs with name, hobbies, and is gamer as the keys. And now if we want to empty the entire dictionary, we can say so empty the entire dictionary. I can say person, and I can use the clear method on it, and right after this I can print the person dictionary to the terminal and run the file. Back to our terminal, we are getting an empty dictionary. So this was all about the video on dictionaries. So if you want to learn more on lists, tuples, and dictionaries, I would highly recommend you to check out the Python official docs in order to learn more on what we discussed. So next we will discuss all the ways of performing iterations on lists, tuples, and dictionaries in the video on loops. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for all upcoming uploads, and I will see you guys in the very next video.